Today, one local doctor expressed some hope in finding a vaccine as well for the deadly coronavirus pandemic. He agrees with Dr. Fauci that it could be ready by the end of the year. WAAY 31's Ashley Carter is live in Huntsville now after learning how that doctor thinks it'll all play out. Ashley.
Dr. Neil Lamb of HudsonAlpha told me with the way clinical trials are going, he thinks that we could have a safe and effective coronavirus vaccine released by the end of this year, but he's predicting it's going to roll out in phases.
The likelihood that you and I are going to be rolling up our sleeves this year is probably pretty small. But I think it's very likely that you're going to be able to reach a huge number, maybe not in the entire world, but a huge number in the 2021 calendar year.
Dr. Neil Lamb told me no one is explaining exactly how a vaccine will be distributed or who will get it first, but he expects emergency workers and high-risk individuals to be some of the first. He says it's not easy to pinpoint the time of the year the vaccine will become available to the general public, but says it may likely take another year.
I'm not sure when you're going to get the all call that if you are young and healthy, come on in. I think that that's probably going to be in the late spring, summer, maybe even into the fall before you see that kind of broad availability.
Dr. Lamb says when it comes to the vaccine's effectiveness, the FDA requires at least 50% before release. He expects a higher rate because there are more than 160 companies trying to find the best cure.
I really hope we're going to see something that is in the upper 80s, at a minimum for this.
Dr. Lamb says even though it probably won't be until next year before most people have access to the vaccine, it's good to see so many different people are involved in finding one. Live in Huntsville, Ashley Carter, WAAY 31 News.